Sorry about the audio, everybody. This was a knockoff GoPro that the audio sucked, so just got rid of it. It's just me waking up, getting ready for PPG flight this morning. Got my motor last week, getting ready to head out to the field for the maiden voyage. Here's me loading everything up in this giant stabby McPoker thing sticking out of the back of the cab there. Shouldn't be a problem. Come on, man. And then head out to the field. Scouted this field a few days ago. Looks pretty good. No obstacles there to the south. Small power line there. Nothing to the west. The north just has that tree line there. And then the east, there's this little bit of power lines there. So, alright, well, let's get to it. It was an eventful day.
Alright, attempt 4.
I think it's a pretty good plan. We should be able to pull it off this time. What do you think, Abdul? Can you give me a number crunch real quick?
Yeah, give me a sec. I'm coming up with 32.33, repeating, of course, percentage of survival.
onslaught better than we usually do.
All right, chums up.
Ready, guys?
Let's do this. Leroy Jenkins!
Oh my god, he just ran in.
Holy shit. Alright, so I think it was a good decision to stop the flight. Wind was getting kind of trashy up there. Alright, but successful flight. I didn't die. So that's good. I need to put some anti-torque in those risers. This torque strap's not really doing much. I mean, I had that thing cranked. So let's put some offset. And there already is some offset in there. Let's put a little bit more. As far as the wingtip steering goes, very responsive on the wingtip steering. Haven't quite figured out if full trimmer's out, so full reflex mode is going to give me extra speed or not. I'll have to check the GPS data. Maybe I'll upload that as well. Okay, fucking A. Pow. Lift and strike.
Okay, so here is the elevation profile of the flight. So it looks like the total flight time was 1 hour and 1 minute. Got up to 3,553. So it was just about 2,000. Now I'm seeing about 2,800 feet. So about 1,000 foot A. My max speed was just about 50 miles an hour there once I got on the speed bar. Or sorry, not the speed bar, but went to reflex mode, which was doing the trimmers there and going to that tip steering that was in the video there. So yeah, I hit about 50. The lowest point, the blue curve is my speed there, and the red is my height. So you can kind of see as I'm climbing in height, I'm losing some speed here and there, but you'll see my height and my speed jump up there, and that's when I'm on those in reflex mode with the full trimmers out and tip steering. So all in all, the reflex mode does work, and it does give you extra speed. Now, had I had a speed bar attached, which is another thing which helps drag the front of the wing down just a little bit, lower the angle of attack to get even more speed under high power, you can get even faster. Okay, well, that's going to do it for the vid. See you guys later. Peace.